Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for your health and well-being: blood circulation. Good blood circulation is vital for keeping your organs functioning properly, maintaining energy levels, and promoting overall health. So how can we give our circulation a natural boost? One way is through our diet. In today's video, we'll explore 10 nutrient-rich foods that can help improve your blood circulation. Let's get started. First on our list are beets. Beets are rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow. Add beets to your salads and smoothies or roast them for a tasty side dish. Next up, we have berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. These delicious fruits contain antioxidants and anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and improve blood vessel function. Enjoy them as a snack in your morning cereal or blended into a smoothie. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and trout, are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help reduce blood viscosity, making it easier for your blood to flow smoothly. Try incorporating fatty fish into your diet at least twice a week. Garlic is not only great for flavoring your dishes, but also for your circulation. It contains allicin, which helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Crush some fresh garlic into your sauces, dressings, or soups for a health boost. Pomegranates are rich in polyphenols and nitrates that promote blood vessel dilation and increase blood flow. Drink fresh pomegranate juice or sprinkle the seeds over your salads or yogurt. Leafy greens like spinach are high in nitrates, which help improve blood flow by relaxing blood vessels. Add spinach to your salads or smoothies, or sauté it as a side dish for a nutrient boost. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, are rich in vitamin C, which helps strengthen capillary walls and improve blood circulation. Enjoy citrus fruits as a snack, or, squeeze some fresh lemon juice into your water. Good news for chocolate lovers. Dark chocolate, especially varieties with 70% cocoa or higher, contains flavonoids that help improve blood vessel function and circulation. Enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate as a treat. Walnuts are a great source of alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid that helps improve blood flow. Add walnuts to your salads and oatmeal, or enjoy them as a healthy snack. Last but not least, turmeric contains curcumin, which helps increase nitric oxide production and improve blood flow. Add turmeric to your curries and soups or make a soothing turmeric tea. And there you have it, 10 nutrient-rich foods that can help boost your blood circulation. Incorporating these foods into your diet can support better blood flow and overall health. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a healthy tip from us. Leave a comment below and let us know which of these foods you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.